Aminado ang Philippine Navy na mahirap ma-detect ang sea drone na namataan at nakuha ng mga mangingisda sa karagatang bahagi ng Masbate. Sa ngayon, ang naturang drone ay sumasailalim na sa isang forensic analysis para matukoy kung kanino at saan galing ang drone. Yan ang balitang hatid ni Almar Forzuelo.
December 30, 2024, isang sea drone na may numerong HY119 ang nakuha ng mga mangingisda malapit sa barangay Inarawan, San Pascual sa probinsya ng Masbate. Ang nabanggit na drone ay agad na ipinaalam ng mga mangingisda sa Armed Forces of the Philippines o AFP. Sa isang pulong balitaan sa headquarters ng AFP sa Camp Aguinaldo araw ng Martes, sinabi ni Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, patuloy ngayon ang kanilang ginagawa na masusing investigasyon at forensic analysis sa naturang submersive drone.
It is currently undergoing forensic analysis which will last from 6 to 8 weeks. Offhand, I could say that it is bright yellow in color, 3.5 meters in length, 24 centimeters in diameter, and weighs 94 kilograms. Equipment such as these are used for gathering bathymetric data such as water temperature, the depth of water, and salinity.
Aminado naman ang opisyal na ang nakuhang drone ay mahirap anyang ma-detect.
Yung ganitong kagamitan, ganitong equipment is difficult to detect.
Hindi rin anya ito ang unang pagkakataon na meron silang nakukuhang drone o parte ng mga kagamitan sa karagatan na sakop ng Pilipinas.
All our actions and pronouncements are evidence-based. Secondly, it is not the first time that we have come across or received reports, bits and pieces or specimens of equipment like this.
Tungkol naman sa tanong kung bakit hindi agad ito ibinalita sa publiko, paliwanag ni Trinidad.
Just because it doesn't hit the news doesn't mean that we are not doing anything. If you notice, this yellow submersible drone first came out through social media, and then it gained traction from there. Hindi ibig sabihin, pag walang lumabas na news, wala tayong ginagawa.
Samantala, hindi pa malinaw para sa Philippine Navy kung saan at kanino galing ang nasabing drone at hindi rin nila masabi kung galing ba ito sa China.
A lot of speculation has been going on, but let me state that speculation is no substitute for evidence.
Bilang tugon sa nasabing insidente, ito naman ang gagawin ng hukbong sandatahan ng Pilipinas.
The AFP is on top of the situation and taking this seriously. The AFP currently is developing measures and countermeasures to secure and to protect our maritime domain in partnership with our treaty ally and other partner nations. And this includes the field of autonomous and unmanned systems.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.